everyone, my name is Dennis and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, a channel with more reaction to Miss Diana Ankudinova. Yeah, because I love her. So Miss Diana Ankudinova is came from Russia. So what's up, Russia? Yeah, one of my favorite singer from Russia because of her voice quality. It is a very unique. Yeah. So guys, before we proceed to our main topic, I am honestly telling you that I'm not a professional and perfect reactionist, but I can do my best for you guys. So please respect everyone. So today I'm gonna do rap the song of Miss Diana Ankudinova. It is a Russian language, guys. So before we start, guys, always don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I love this song. Wow.
Нас учили жить песнями, но не сидела за партами. Мы бежали тайно, что дать по лестнице.
Следует
Маялась гитарой партами. И не поняли, не открыли мы.
very energetic. Yeah, Diana Ankudinova, energetic. Yeah. Wow. Rah.
Чистыми, высокими гордыми птицами,
Yeah.
с волшебными лицами. Помнишь, нас учили быть птицами.
Wow.
Птицами.
Bravo, 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 bravo. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Miss Diana Ankudinova. Your very energetic performance from this video. Yeah, it's a rock. Yeah. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed our reacted video today from Miss Diana Ankudinova. Yeah, my favorite singer from Russia. So what's up, Russia? Yeah. If you enjoyed, guys, please comment down below and suggest our next video reacting from Miss Diana Ankudinova. So please support this channel for Miss Diana Ankudinova. So for you guys, always don't forget subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching, my loving viewers. I love you all. Bye bye.